afternoon. I'm here to present my platform as I'm running for EB. So, yung whole point lang ng vision ko for Gabay, if ever I get elected, is sustainability and continuous expansion. So, sustainability, kasi kung binasa nyo man yung pinost kong platform online, kasi as we can see na our org has developed and grew into such a wonderful org na halos perfect na. Pero meron pa rin mga flaws na pwede pang ayusin. Pero dun sa perfection na yun, if ever I get elected, sana ma-level up ulit ng next EB yung ginawang sobrang success ng mga previous EB. Ayan, so sustainability. Tapos yung next, yung continuous expansion. Since hindi naman pwedeng constant lang yung nangyayari sa org, dapat may continuous growth na nagaganap. So, continuous expansion, hindi lang sustainability ng mga nagawa ng previous executive committees, pati pag-expand ng mga projects and successes na nagawa nila. So, next. Hinati ko pala yung 2 visions na yun into 8 steps. So, for the first step, leadership development. So, continue pa rin yung leadership management program, pero mas gagawin deeper yung learning na ibibigay sa members. So, meron pa rin mga formation seminars, project management seminars, skills trainings. Tapos, gagawin sana mas deep yung learning by making the members who attend, who participate in the events, more consistent. So, hindi pa iba-iba, hindi yung form sem lang yung napuntahan or yung project management lang. Saka sa under leadership development din, iko-continue yung mentoring na binibigay ng Office of the President. So, magkakaroon pa rin ng processing sessions after every project. So, nagpo-process yung mga nangyayari sa project. So, hindi lang parang nag-project ka, tapos hindi mo alam kung para saan mo yung ginawa. Next slide. So, number 2, visibility and collaborations with the co-org. So, as I was saying kanina, sobrang nag-grow na nga yung Gabay as an organization. So, sa growth na yun, pwede natin siyang gamitin opportunity para mas maging visible pa sa COA. So, gagawin natin mas sikat pa yung Gabay, magiging talk of the town siya. Yes. So, gagawin natin yun through collaborations with organizations na in line with our goals and trusts. So, especially sa mga SBC orgs, pwede tayong, like sa ACP, pwede nila tayong tulungan kasi kapareho lang naman natin sila ng mga aims and purposes. So, yan. Visibility and collaborations with go-ons. So, for the third, member recognition and connections. So, for the member recognition and connections, tutuloy pa rin yung mga projects, team building activities na ginagawa natin para mabond yung members. Recognition, yung mga nagiging active, syempre recognize more consistently para hindi sila mag- Next. Fourth, externalization. So, hindi lang tayo sa co-orgs magpapaka-visible, mag-externalize din tayo sa alumni, saka sa possible sponsors and donors na pwedeng tumulong sa pag-achieve natin ng goals natin. So, externalization. Fifth, sustainability of simplified systems. So, yun nga, puring-puri na yung mga previous executive committees na sobrang galing na ng mga ginawa nila. Itutuloy yung simplified systems na ginawa ng OSECGEN dati. Tapos, if ever may mga flaws pa, pwede pang i-improve, ayusin din. So, if continue, for example, yung facet system. Next. For the sixth, more income-generating projects. Like, for this year, medyo nagka-problems tayo dahil na dun sa SEIs. Tapos, yun, we'll focus more on income-generating projects. So, projects. So, like sponsor a kid, and rowing sale, food sale, para maganda ng pera yung Gabay, para mas bongga yung projects natin, tapos hindi pinili. Pero syempre, resourcefulness pa rin sa pag-handle ng mga. Next. Visibility to the scholars community. So, as an org that caters to the scholars, so sector natin yun yung pinaka-dapat main purpose natin. So, magpapavisible tayo sa kanila. Hindi lang, siguro, continue the ACAD services, pero tingnan din natin yung other needs nila, their needs assessment. At tapos, we'll try to cater to those needs. Tapos, we'll be their support group whenever they need one. So, for the last, number 8, development of the committees. So, ipagpatuloy lang ang ginagawang projects. Tapos, sustainability, sustain kung ano man yung mga nagawa na, and improve on the flaws na meron. For the last slide, ulitin ko lang, sustainability and continuous expansion. They're the 8 steps. Thank you and we'll